Hello, my name is Stephanieitzelb. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how I do a natural dewy look that's very quick and easy, and yeah. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video at the end if you like it. So, thank you. And let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start with a mask. I like starting with a mask because it's important to hydrate your skin. This is my favorite mask that I like to use when I feel like I'm super dehydrated or I just want to get that plump, nice hydrated look. So this is the Kiehl's Calendula Soothing and Aloe Mask. As you can tell, it's almost empty. So I just put it all over my skin and I leave it on for about 10 minutes. And I can really tell a difference after. If you look at my skin now and after I take it off, you'll see that, I don't know, I just always feel like it makes it look better. So yeah, that's the first step that I do. I just do a nice hydrating or brightening mask. It's up to you what you like to use. This mask is for all skin types. It's very soothing because it has the calendula in it. I do like to put it under my eyes because my eyes are pretty dry, but just try to not put it so close to your eyes. I know it looks like I'm doing it, but I even put it over my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. So I'll be back in like 10 minutes. I also, while I'm waiting, I use the Tarte lip mask and I just put it on all over my lips so my lips are plump by the time I'm done doing my makeup. So when I'm done, I usually take a towel like this and I take it off. So I take it all off. I don't always wear toner, so I usually just let my skin dry and I start with this essence that I've been trying lately. It's the SK2 and I just put a little bit on my hand like this. And what you want to do is you want to press it into the skin. I really love this stuff. I haven't tried anything like it. I mean, the La Prairie one is amazing too, but this one's just so different. So I do that, and I do want to get a little bit closer so you can see my skin. Okay, and then after that, I do an eye serum, which is the La Prairie eye serum that I've talked about in my other videos. And I just take a little bit on my ring finger and I just do this, and I just kind of massage my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the Farsali liquid glass that I actually got in my BoxyCharm in January. And I'm going to take that and just do like a couple drops and just put it all over my skin. I don't know why, but I don't like how this stuff smells. It doesn't smell good to me. Like, I just don't know. I don't really like it, but I like what it does. So you see that nice glow. And then after that, I'm going to take the eye cream, which is the QMS Instensive Eye Care. I got this in my BoxyCharm last month, but I'm going to take that to my ring finger and just press it under the eyes like this. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This has literally become a staple in my routine. I do like to use this most every day during the day because it's not too heavy and it gives my skin that type of hydration that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to smooth that in. Now for the makeup. We do want the skin to look nice and dewy, but I am going to put some illuminating highlight on, highlighter, or not highlighter, but primer. So there's two that I am going to mix. I'm going to mix the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid and then the Luminous Putty Primer. So first I'm going to use this one, which is the liquid one. And I'm just going to put that, kind of stay away from under the eye, but anywhere where I want it to be highlighted. So like this, right here. I'm trying to stay away under the nose and all that. And then I'm going to take some of the Luminous and I'm just going to put it kind of in the cheek area like this. So I just ordered this Tarte Beauty Blendiful and I'm going to try it. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Luminous Silk Foundation. I think this is a great foundation if you're trying to do that dewy natural skin look. So I'm going to put some on my hand like this, like 3 pumps. And then I'm also going to take a pump of the Deep Rosy Sunshine Drops from Drunk Elephant and just do like 3, just to make my skin look a little bit darker. It isn't going to match my neck, but I am going to bring it down. So yeah, let's do that right now. So I'm going to put some on my face like this. And I think I took a little bit too much, so we're going to blend that. I do want to stay away from the under eye area because I'm going to correct and then I'm going to put my concealer and I don't want it to look too just caked on. So make sure you blend up until your hairline so it doesn't look like there's a line. So far it looks very, very natural. I love the way this blends. Now I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Corrector in Peach, which is this one, and I'm going to put just a little bit right here, and right here. And I'm going to take the mini beauty blender and I'm going to blend it out, which I'm going to get a little bit closer so you can see. I do have a lot of discoloration underneath my eye and above my eye, and so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to blend that out. Okay, while I let that dry, I'm going to do my eyebrows. And when I do my eyebrows, I want them to look very feathery, so I'm going to use the Soap Brow, and that's one of my favorite products. So I take a spoolie and then I take the Smashbox primer water and I'm going to spray that, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm just going to brush these up like this. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape in 22N and I'm just going to put a little bit right here and a little bit right here. Alright, so now I'm going to blend that in. After that, I just like to look closely to see if I need anything else. So just blend that out a little bit more, and so far so good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take some bronzer. This is the Marc Jacobs bronzer that I always use, and I'm going to take this Morphe R7 and I'm just going to take just a little bit like this, and then I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to that's kind of a lot, so if it's too much, which this is the first time I use this brush, I'm going to take my sponge and I'm just going to kind of blend it. Or you can also take the Blendiful and just blend it, which it blended out perfectly. And then I'm actually going to use the Blendiful because I really like what it does, so I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm going to take a brush. Just for me, it doesn't really matter what brush, but I'm just gonna take a brush and just go like this, just to contour my nose just a little bit. And then I'm going to continue my eyebrows. So I'm going to brush these up. They should be a little bit more. And I'm going to take the Brow Wiz in brown medium. And I'm going to fill in the empty spot. Alright, so as you can see, they are kind of thick and they are just very feathery. To finish off, I do want to take some of the Glossier Boy Brow and just kind of comb through them, like very lightly, just so I fill in some of the eyebrows that like didn't get filled in, and so they look more natural. So like that, and then, whoa, that's a lot. So when that happens, I just take this and just go through it again. Okay, now I'm going to do blush. And I'm going to take a Morphe brush and the Kosas highlighter and blush, and I'm just going to swipe up. Then I'm going to take the highlighter and I'm just going to put it on like this with my fingers. If you hear that, that is my puppy barking. I don't know if you caught that, but I just got a new puppy a few months ago, and okay, and then I like to put a little bit here. So now I'm gonna do my lip. Actually, no, I'm gonna do my mascara. And then I'm going to take the Chanel Le Volume mascara and I'm going to Has that ever happened to you? Because it just happened to me and I hate when it happens, but it happens, so. What you want to do is you just want to let it dry, so that's what I'm going to do. I got a couple things in BoxyCharm. I got this gel lip that's this color. And then I also got, I'm sorry, that's my puppy, so don't mind him. Then I also got this, more of a pink, wow. You see? I'm going to do the lip liner because I'm such a lip liner queen, so I'm gonna do that really fast. I'm going to take this spoolie right here and just do that. And if you feel like you kind of like took something off, which I kind of did, I'm going to take a little bit of that corrector, just a little bit, like that much. And just blend. Okay. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that concealer. Do a little bit of that. Then this. Do that. I'm going to take this that I had on earlier and I'm going to go over it. And that is the natural look. I also want to seal it with this Morphe. Wow, that smells really good. I didn't think it would smell that good. And I'm going to let my hair down. That is how I do a dewy spring simple look. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.